Welcome back. So it's confession time. I came to confess to you all that I've not been doing anything and my hair has been growing because genetics favors me. Every member of my family, both male and female, they've got hair. Their hair reaches their ankle bone. Even some, their hair sweeps the floor. I just realized that I'm from India because somebody told me in the comment section that my mom, my dad, my grandparents, all of them are from India. So I'm from India, and Indians, they've got long hair. So that is how my hair has been growing. All the DIY that we've been sharing on this channel, we don't even use it. Once we off the camera, we trash them. Even the oils, we make them, we trash them because genetics favors us. I don't even wash my hair because I know genetics favors me. I don't even deep condition my hair. I don't even detangle my hair. I don't do anything. The hair is just growing. The hair washes itself, it deep conditions itself, it trims itself. It basically does everything for itself because genetic favors the hair. So my hair has been growing. Like my length last month is not the same this month. My length 2 years ago is not the same this year because the hair has just been growing like grass. The hair, like the volume, just growing, like the hair has just been doing so well. As you can see on the screen, the hair, look how shiny the hair is, look how black, jet black the hair is. That's because of genetics. Nothing, I don't do nothing. I just relax while the hair is just growing. As you can see, I'm stretching the hair. The hair is currently at tailbone length, just growing on its own. Despite the consistent trimming, the hair is just growing because of genetics. Make sure this is not you this 2026. So on this video, I want to share with you something that will grow your hair, that will catapult your hair growth from 0 to at least 50. First is fenugreek, and we are going to be using 1 tablespoon of that. Fenugreek is used for hair growth due to its rich nutrients, protein, potassium, zinc, vitamins that strengthen follicles, improve scalp health, and may block DHT, potentially reducing hair loss and promoting thicker hair. Moving on to the second ingredient, I've got black tea. If you don't have black tea, please purchase Lipton tea bags and then grab the tea bags and empty it. Use it as your black tea. So we are using that in 1 tablespoon. Black tea promotes hair growth, reduce shedding, and add shine by utilizing caffeine to block the hair loss hormone, DHT, and antioxidants to stimulate follicle. Here are 4 key benefits of black tea. It reduces shedding, it stimulates growth, strengthens and adds shine to your hair, and it also darkens your hair. Moving on to the third ingredient, we've got henna. We will be using the henna powder in 1 tablespoon. Henna promotes hair growth by strengthening strands, reducing breakage, and improving scalp health through its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and deep cleaning properties, which help balance scalp pH, fight dandruff, and prevent hair loss, leading to thicker, healthier hair when used regularly in masks or herbal teas. To use this, you have to steep it in hot water as we are about to do on this video. Very, very effective, especially when you steep it in hot water. Hot water releases its benefits to your hair. After straining, you have to use this consistently. You just have to be consistent with the use. Moving on to the last ingredient, I've got green tea leaf. Please note that this green tea comes in different types, like about 2 types that I know of. This type and the other one that looks like maybe bitter leaf that is being washed and dried. So this particular one is of the Indian origin. Yeah, the other one you can find it anywhere. But the best place to purchase this is on Amazon website. You will definitely see this. It doesn't matter the brand or the vendor. Green tea promotes hair growth by delivering antioxidants like EGCG, which can inhibit hair loss hormones, which is DHT, improves scalp circulation, and strengthens strands with vitamins B and polyphenols, preventing breakage and adding shine, often used as rinses. Herbal teas, which can be used topically as a base for your moisture routine. Its anti-inflammatory properties also soothe the scalp, making it a holistic treatment for healthier, fuller hair. Pour about 500 ml worth of hot water into the jar containing all the ingredients. Cover on your tabletop and allow to steep for 8 to 12 hours. 8 to 12 hours. After 12 hours, because I did 12 hours, after 12 hours, proceed to strain. So all you need to do is to strain this using your strainer and a bowl to collect your filtrate. Afterwards, proceed to transfer to your spray bottle, because I love to use mine as a leave-in treatment. Sometimes I can use it as a tea rinse, and that is on wash days. This particular DIY is a banger. Guys, this is a banger. From the ingredients, you will know. I need not talk too much on that. For how to use this as a leave-in, all you need to do is to spray from your scalp to your hair tips. Then proceed to apply your leave-in conditioner, because water evaporates. Once water evaporates on a surface, it leaves the surface drier than it met it. So the best practice is just to spray this and follow up with a leave-in conditioner. And that does not stop there. You have to apply your sealant. You can choose hair butter or hair grease or even hair growth oil. But hair growth oil to me does not seal properly. An excellent sealant is hair grease. Yes, if you need a proper and good hair grease that you can use, proceed to my website www.nyerehaircare.com and shop my hair grease, and you will not regret it. So use that to seal in moisture in your hair, and then proceed to style your hair. That is if it's on wash day. But if you're remoisturizing, please moisturize 2 to 3 times a week. And then for the storage of this particular DIY, you're to store in your refrigerator for only 5 days. And after 5 days, it goes rancid, meaning that microorganisms will add on it, making it less potent. So after 5 days, this product is still good, but it is less in potency. It's not going to be as potent as it is in the first 5 days. That's what that means. What you're supposed to do is to discard and make a fresh batch, except you are to add Germo Plus, which is a preservative, in 1%. That is 1% of the entire batch of product made. So use this to apply in your hair. If you've got bald spots, apply this on your bald spots daily and do a massage with your growth oil. You can also convert these ingredients into a growth oil using a lighter carrier oil. Use the two in pari passu to grow back your hair on bald spots. I can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Leave your questions in the comment section below. Bye for now.